Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree DIY, I'm sharing with you these do-it-yourself Rae Dunn inspired decor. So I made these using the Dollar Tree mugs and bowls, and I cut out some different words from the Rae Dunn brand, and I used my Cricut Explorer Air Tune machine to cut out these different words: hello, yum, namaste, eat more, sweet, just a bunch of different words. So all I do is just place the wording, cut it out, place it on a piece of transfer tape, and get it ready to stick right onto the bowl. It's super easy to do. And if you don't have a Cricut machine, I'm gonna have these guys ready for you guys to purchase in my Etsy store. It's called Casa Craft. I'm gonna leave you guys the link in the description bar, and I'll have it ready for you guys, where all you'll have to do is place your tape onto your bowl or mug just like so, and peel the tape off, and you'll have your own Rae Dunn inspired decor. Again, the link will be in the description bar. So all you do is place the tape right onto your bowl, just center it and rub it like I did, and you just peel the tape off, and then you have your word attached to the bowl or mug. These are not dishwasher safe. Some people say they do still put their vinyl pieces in the dishwasher and they're fine, but it'd be best to just hand wash them and you'd be good to go. These will last. So again, guys, I'm going to leave my Etsy store in the description bar if you guys want to order the wording where it's already set up on the tape, and all you have to do is place it on your bowl and you're good to go. So here is another bowl with the word sweet on it, and like I said, it's just so easy to do. So I also did a couple of mugs here. This one has his and hers on it. I think it looks so sleek and just so nice. So here's the final product. They look so professional. I just love my Cricut machine to be able to do things like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy DIY. If you did, please give me that thumbs up, share the video, and if you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bar as well so you know when I upload a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.